This is a walkthrough of a basic facial with me as an esthetician student. I begin with the first cleanse, using the Dermalogica pre-cleanse. This step helps remove excess oil, makeup, sunscreen, and debris from the skin. I gently massage the product into the face to break everything down. Then I remove it with the warm towel, making sure the temperature is comfortable for the client. Next, I perform a skin analysis. A helpful way to remember the step is esthetician have to touch skin, which stands for elasticity, hydration, texture, thickness, skin type, and skin condition. Then I move into the second cleanse, using the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel for a deeper clean. After cleansing, I apply toner using the Dermalogica Multi-Active Toner to remove any leftover residue and prep the skin. Next is exfoliation. Using the Dermalogica Daily Microexfoliant, I massage into the skin and allow it to sit for about 7 minutes. I then perform a facial massage using the Dermalogica massage product for about 10 minutes. I start at the forehead and work down to the décolleté using techniques like effleurage, petrissage, decollement, friction, and vibration to promote relaxation and circulation. Next, I apply the mask. I use the Dermalogica Conductive Mask Base and leave it on for about 10 minutes. During this time, I perform a relaxing massage on the neck, shoulders, and décolleté. After the mask, I remove it and tone the skin to rebalance the pH. To finish, I apply moisturizer using the Dermalogica Active Moist, followed by SPF to protect the skin from the sun and environmental damage.
I start to fall asleep. Oh, my skin looks so good.